Okay, look what I got. Yes, some Wingstop. Some Wingstop. I haven't had Wingstop in a long time. I actually only had it once. And at that time, they did not have the chicken sandwiches. They didn't have the chicken sandwiches, y'all. So I decided to try them. I got a Parmesan and I have a barbecue. Coco is going to get to this bag. And I have the ranch sauce. Let's see if I could turn this thing. At least you can see. Let me move back a little. So we'll see which one this is, y'all. It smells good. It smells good, y'all. Okay, Coco is going to want to taste. Coco is going to want to taste some. Okay, y'all. Let's see. Move this one to the side. I'm going to give Coco a piece first. Give her a piece. I know this is the Parmesan. This is the Parmesan. I'm gonna give her a small piece first. I drop it down there. I'm just gonna get to it. It tastes good. That's a Parmesan. Okay. Okay. These are very good. And of course I have the pickle. At first I wanted to get the pickle. He said, yeah. He was like, no pickle? I say, okay, put just 2 pickles, not too many. This is good, y'all. This is good. Now they could have added a little lettuce. Yes, it's good. Have y'all tried this? If y'all haven't, now I could have gotten a combo, but I didn't want to get the combo because I wanted to try at least 2 different ones. This is very good. So how y'all doing? Y'all, this sauce is out of this world. And I got my water. It's very good, but they could have went a little lighter. It's not spicy, but so when me dripping all over the place. Yeah, but it's good. Wow. So y'all, I went to the doctor today. No, we didn't go to the gym. I love water more than anything. I love water. Y'all make sure y'all drink a lot of water. Because water, you can live off water longer than you can food. Water nourishes everything. So I had an 8 a.m. doctor's appointment today. And my chiropractor, it went well. Then after that, I took Coco to the doggy park. We stayed at the doggy park for at least an hour. Then we went to Ross. I did a little something. And they got some nice stuff in Ross. They always have something nice in Ross. Nice bargains, okay? On the next video, I'll show y'all what I got. Just a little something. And then we went to Wingstop. No, Rick Ross owns all. He owns the whole franchise, right? I think so. But that's good that they're expanding into sandwiches. How can I eat your chicken? You know what? This is what she really wants. Dogs be fascinated with paper. You haven't eaten a piece of it here. I always give her a taste or whatever I'm eating. Yeah. Okay, good girl. She likes chicken. And these are this is very good and healthy because it's grilled chicken. It's grilled. So it's very healthy. Yeah. So they have 11 flavors. They have 11 flavors. Yes, they have 11 flavors. I think one YouTuber bought 11 sandwiches. I can't eat no damn 11 sandwiches. We'll see if I make it through the second one. We'll see. What did I have? I had some oatmeal earlier this morning. It's after 12. It's closer to 1. So I may be able to. We'll see. This is very good. Did anybody see Toya's wedding on YouTube? It was epic. It was phenomenal, beautiful. She was gorgeous. Everything was just beautiful. So if you haven't seen her wedding, y'all need to check it out. And on BET, y'all need to check out BET Plus if you haven't. Because there's some new reality shows about influencers. So I'm going to check that out this weekend. Today, as a matter of fact. Because I'm not going back out today. Once I come in, I'm in. Make sure I do everything I need to do, get everything I need. Because I don't do no in and out. Okay, we'll see. or we can handle this one. Yeah, that's that barbecue. That's that barbecue, y'all. Next time I ask them to add a little lettuce on it. With that barbecue, y'all. It's good. Spicy barbecue, but it's not too spicy. It's not too spicy. Looks good. Looks good. I'm trying to figure out which one do I like the best out of the two. So far, I'm going with the Parmesan. I wasn't going to try the plain. And I think that habanero is real spicy. It's sweet, but it's spicy. But yeah, there's some new reality shows on. So I'll be sitting back, relaxing, watching those today. I'm gonna get after this. I got so many videos uploading because I'm recording this one on my phone. Then I got 2 videos uploaded on my computer. Y'all. After this, I think I'm going to take me a nice spa bath. I've been doing showers for a minute. I think I'm just going to soak. And then later on, have my lavender tea. Yes. Have y'all been trying any of the teas? Have y'all been working on your, or are you even thinking about doing like a home spa? Fix your home for you. So, you know, I fix my home so that I have everything I need. I got my music, I got my entertainment, I got my food, I got my drink. I have every single thing I need. So it's not like I got to go out and have fun, you know? I can sit here and have fun. But you don't want to sit in all the time, but still, my home is my oasis. Okay, each room has a theme. Of course, I'm sitting here in my office. And then we have my beauty lounge, VIP. Okay, and then my spa. We have my wine and cocktail area. Y'all, I'm going to read that little wall art I had purchased for that area, the wine area. That was just something temporary to put back there, you know, to give it a little vibe. But I found some very nice chick wall art that I'm putting back there. I can't wait. Look at y'all. I'm getting full. Yeah, I think about myself a little bit to eat both these. Now, B loves life. She would have ate both of them. Hell no. I finished that up for dinner. But both of them are delicious. My favorite is the Parmesan. Y'all tell me what y'all favorite is. But yeah. On Amazon, yes, I found some very nice, elegant wall art for my wine and cocktail area. So, and they come in a set of 4. So I could put like 4 on like this, not this wall, but on the side wall I could put them however I want. You know, you could put them like in a square, or you could put them in a line, or I could put 2 on this end, 2 on that wall, and then 2 on the side wall. I'll show y'all. I'll do a video on it so y'all can see what I'm really talking about. Or I might just get 2 different sets. That's what I'm going to do, because the wall art is just like $25 for 4 pictures. Yeah, just that's all. It really don't take that much to do your decor. There's so many places that you can find some nice, reasonable decor for your home. And one thing about having a home, apartment, whichever it is, you know, when you decorating, you have to take your time. You know, you don't just, well, at least I don't. I make sure I take my time and I shop around, and I love to go to the outlets. Like I went to Ross today, and I found some more high-end designer wall art, Gucci, Prada. Sure did. And these were huge pictures. It was just like $24. Now that Gucci one, I'm not getting that one because that had a snake on it. We don't do snakes. Pictures. No snake in no form. Snake in no form. But now that Prada, yes. And I was thinking, I think I am going to get that Prada picture, and I'm going to put it on this side wall here. And I'm going to take that positive quote and put it in the office here. Yes, I take that positive quote frame from over there and put it in here, in my office. So, yeah, those are my degrees there. Those are my degrees. Those are my degrees, y'all.